So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So many people are requesting to make a separate technical analysis video on BCG. So we'll try to find out till where the stock may correct. So what are the next zones that we need to focus. So after the forensic audit news, we have seen back-to-back correction in the stock. So after excessive selling since the past 3 sessions, today we have seen slightly less selling volumes as compared to the last previous days because market was also very volatile. So morning itself, it has showed a little bit of gap down opening. Again, it has gone up. Again, after the US futures has started coming down, again, our markets also started going in the downside direction. So little bit of uncertainty is still there in the market. So because of the interest hike, so that may also happen in the coming days. So because of that expectations, we are seeing the volatility in the market. So obviously you need to be little stock specific. So coming to BCG also, as I told, little bit of selling pressure, slightly it has reduced, but it is continuing that lower circuits. So we'll try to find out what can be the next possible zones. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before we get into the technical part of BCG, so if we talk about the forensic audit, so how many days it will take. So obviously the period, that is whatever the years they have told, they will be checking all the reports again. So obviously it would take little time. So before bonus, I'm expecting the audit results also will be out. So on that particular note itself, we are seeing little bit of selling volumes have also reduced. So let's see how it goes. And as we know, the bonus date also is approaching. So after that, again, we'll see little bit of drop in share price and you will be getting some extra shares. Right, so technically if we see, so in the weekly charts we have somewhere around 80 rupees as the 50-day exponential moving average, and also a gap which was created earlier because of the continuous move. So that gap also might get filled. So as I told, in short term the stock is definitely in the bearish side, but if you can hold it for a long term perspective, like more than a year or 2 years, so then you can keep holding it. So it is a long term stock, but as I told, in short term you need to see the losses. That is what is the current situation. But as I told, if you are patiently holding for long term perspective, so then it is worth holding. Okay, so this is in weekly chart. So let's even go to daily chart. Okay, so if you observe the daily chart, so daily chart also has little bit interesting data. So as compared to the weekly chart, so daily chart already we have seen the stock has come below the 50-day exponential moving average, and after that itself a little bit of correction was there. So here we can see the 200-day EMA is there somewhere around the 87.17 rupees level. So again, you need to keep 87 as a very good support region in the coming days. So if market shows a very good recovery, that is if on Monday, if you see markets also going into that green zone, so then definitely we may see little selling volume might decrease, but circuit may or may not open. Circuit may continue for few days, but little selling pressure might reduce. So if still that pressure is continuing, so then we need to observe the lower circuits in it. So that is what is the current situation of BCG. So these are the levels to keep in radar for the short term period. So having any further queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.